About to make some fried salmon, some spinach with some grits. I'm gonna make my own sauce. Cherry tomatoes as well. Saute these onions. I'll let y'all see it in just a minute. Saute my onions. Saute them and add them to my pot that I'm gonna put my spinach in. You know that spinach gonna shrink down in a minute. Put the top on it, then stir it all up together. I got my grits on low right now. Make my own sauce for my fish. A little mayonnaise, Worcestershire sauce, mustard, Cajun seasoning, lemon and pepper. Season your spinach. Season your spinach. Stir it all up with your sauteed onions at the bottom. Whip that all the way up together and you have your own creole mayonnaise. Got the salmon frying. Got my grits boiling. We'll get this spinach back together. They look like that. They're ready to come out. Let your grits cook. Thicken them up. Add a little butter, salt and pepper. I dry off my spinach. You don't want it real wet. No wet spinach. Put your grits on a plate. Add some spinach. If you're a cheese eater, I always add a little parmesan to it. Put a little lemon over the top of the salmon. Add the creole mayonnaise. And it should be looking something like that. Parsley flakes. Oh yeah, about to knock that off right now. Food porn. Your plate should look like this when you're done, if you did it right.